आज की वीडियो में हम सेहत और तंदुरुस्ती के बारे में बात करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होने वाले आसान और रोजमर्रा के अंग्रेजी जुमले सीखेंगे। ये जुमले रोजाना की गुफ्तगू, वर्जिश, खुराक और अच्छी आदतों के बारे में कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बात करने में आपकी मदद करेंगे। वीडियो आखिर तक जरूर देखें ताकि आप अपनी अंग्रेजी मजीद बेहतर बना सकें। आई फील हेल्थी। आई एक्सरसाइज एवरी डे। I go for a walk in the morning. I eat a balanced diet. I drink plenty of water. I eat less sugar. I eat fresh fruit. I eat vegetables every day. I take care of my health. I get enough sleep. I do not stay up late. I go for a run every day. Exercise makes me feel good. I want to lose weight. I want to make my body stronger. I work out regularly. I stretch every morning. I feel very energetic today. I avoid junk food. I always try to eat healthy. I pay attention to my diet. I want to improve my health. It is important to stay healthy. Good habits lead to good health. I feel great today. I eat breakfast on time every day. I eat my food slowly. I do not eat too much salt. I do not eat oily food. I drink water after exercise. I spend time in the fresh air every day. I keep my energy up. I take a short walk every day. I feel better than before. I'm improving my health. I'm improving my daily habits. I wash my hands before eating. I go to bed on time. I wake up early in the morning. I try to stay active every day. I feel tired. I need some rest. Rest is important for good health. I want to build my strength. I focus on my health every day. I enjoy exercising. I want to live a healthy life. I keep my good habits. I try to improve myself every day. Health is the greatest blessing. I want to keep my body fit. I make time for exercise every day. I try to live a healthy life. I am careful about my diet. I eat more fruits and vegetables. I understand my body's needs. I drink enough water every day. I develop good habits for my health. I make time for workouts. I am increasing my physical strength. I make efforts to stay healthy. I enjoy doing exercise. I give my body rest. I am serious about my health. I improve my performance every day. I give importance to health in my life. I maintain my strength and energy. I try to avoid getting sick. I make my body strong. I feel refreshed after exercise. I choose healthy food. I control my weight. I plan well for my health. I always stay positive. A healthy body is the foundation of a happy life. उम्मीद है कि आज के सबक में सीखे गए सेहत और तंदुरुस्ती से मुताल्लिक जुमले आपके लिए मुफीद साबित होंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो उसे दूसरों के साथ जरूर शेयर करें और मजीद आसान अंग्रेजी सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।